Guys, welcome back to Grace Time LI. Today we have the Monkey Balance, a fun counting and balance game. And we got Jax. Hi, Jax. It's early in the morning time. It's the morning time. Are you guys excited to open this up?
Yeah.
Alright, so come on, Grace. Let's open it up. Alright, guys, so we're going to open up the Monkey Balance.
Alright, ages 3+. It looks like it said for 1 to 4 players. It's a balance game.
Whoa.
Can I help open this?
Mommy's going to have to help, guys.
There's a piece of tape here. I'm going to just get the tape off, and then you're going to open it up.
We got a little Christmas
That's
decoration
very
going on. Mommy
excited.
did.
Gracie.
We're going to make another video and show you guys all about that.
Here it comes. Hold on.
You guys just done it. The monkey but Lars was made.
Great.
Kids are in their pajamas.
Wow, they're getting in there quickly. There's a monkey. Okay, put it down. Let's see what this is.
Let's show everyone what's inside.
This is a monkey balance beam. Okay? When you put something on one side goes up and one side goes down.
Guys, we're figuring with a new camera today. So if it's a little off, we do apologize.
Okay.
You gotta get used to this camera.
So we have a dish. And it looks like these are probably going to go on each side of the monkey thing. See,
This looks pretty cool, guys.
Fit it on there.
So guys, we're keeping most of our video now as a vlog when we're doing Grace Time.
Put it right between
And as you guys know, I've been adding in a lot of learning video for kids.
Put the monkey down.
Because Jax is 2.5, Grace is close to 4, so
Mommy's going to help.
it's great for learning for toddlers and kids.
Okay, now you both have a chance to look at them, okay?
Alright guys, remember sharing is very important, guys.
Alright, now do you guys, let me explain to you what's going to happen with these. Jax, hold on. Stop. Let go, Grace. Stop. Look at mommy. I'm going to give you guys some monkeys, and you're going to put the monkeys in the dish next to you, okay? And then we're going to watch it go up and down. Do you understand?
That sounds fun.
That's balancing. First, let's do one monkey. Each of you are going to put a monkey on your side. Easy. Okay, he's just trying to see what's going on with it. Let go. Put the monkey back in here. Watch your hands, Grace. Okay, why don't we do this? Grace, you take a turn and look at it and play with it a little bit. So, hold on. Okay, and then give it to Jax and let Jax take a turn so he can see how it goes. I'm going to give you guys one monkey each. You each put your monkey on the plate. Go ahead. And then
Leave it. Let it go now.
Now let it go. Let it go. Don't touch.
Watch, guys.
Watch.
It's gonna balance. Because there's just one monkey each.
Ready? Look. Stop. Is it the same?
Yeah.
All right. Jax, take your monkey off. Grace, leave yours. What happened? It went down on Grace's side because Grace has a monkey and it's heavier. Okay. Wow. You just balanced. See, it's
equal
the same.
weight on the same
side. But if you take the monkey off, then it's heavier on one side. Okay. Jax is heavier.
3 monkeys.
Here comes Grace.
Oh!
Everybody count your monkeys.
1,
2,
3, 4.
No, how many? Jax, how many monkeys do you have? How many? Okay.
1.
How many monkeys? 1, 2, 3. Grace, how many monkeys do you have?
Give me 4 monkeys.
4 monkeys.
Yeah, 4 monkeys.
Grace has 4 monkeys and Jax has 3. So let it go. Who has more monkeys?
11.
Grace has more monkeys, so her side is heavier. Let's put them in order. 1, 2, 3. Grace, where's your 4? Hold on, Jax. 4, 5, 6. Grace, you have 7.
6.
Whoops. I think that was supposed to go there. 7 goes here. I don't know if 7 is going to stay, guys. I got to tell you. Okay, let's count. I think you guys have it all, right? So let's start from the beginning. We have number right here, Grace. What is it? Good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9,
7.
8.
Whoop. Here's 8. 9.
10.
Great
Yay.
job. Yay. How many monkeys? 1, 2. Let it go. 3. Can you find me the number 3, Grace? Can you find me the number 3?
No.
All right.
I
Put the
think
number
these guys
3
want
on
to do it on
here.
their own now.
Put it on there. 3 monkeys and the number 3. Oh, that's 9 monkeys. All right. Here's your monkeys.
No.
You're supposed to count the monkeys, right? All right. Everybody take turns.
Alright guys, so there you go. Monkey Balance. Great. One of the best learning toys so far on Grace Time Alive.
It's great. It's tangible. The kids can touch, count their monkeys, and then count their numbers and actually see and recognize which number it is. Because sometimes kids can count to 10, but they don't know what the number actually looks like. Great job.
Do you guys like these toys or what?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
So what do you tell everybody from Grace Time Alive?
The direction of sky, the channel for Grace Time AI.
And
Bing!
monkey.
And everybody said please don't forget to subscribe. And happy holidays! Happy holidays!
Hey, you guys are all in tune
And we're going to be doing a
together.
Christmas video showing you guys some little decoration the kids and mommy did around the house. Alright guys, so see you later from Grace Time Alive. So bye.
Bye.
And we're out.